Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday gold fired from 1815 to test around 1829. Yesterday we had inflation numbers and again inflation number rises, even though it didn't rise as much as I was expecting, but it rise, and that is the result of gold price. Yesterday dollar index literally crashed, as you can see. After the data it crashed from 95.60 to test 94.90. This is the major reason why gold prices fired from lows. Now coming back to the gold chart, main issue with US inflation is that still they are not able to control the supply chain and there are too many bottlenecks in the supply chains. Today we will be having wholesale inventory numbers, wholesale inflation at 7 p.m. So keep an eye on those numbers as well. These are also major numbers to determine the next course of Fed action regarding interest rate. So keep an eye on those numbers. For today's resistance and support, let's have a look at on chart. 1818, that is the support in gold price today. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1810 and $1800 in gold price. Resistance at 1833, above 1833 expect 1840 and even 1850 is also possible. Currently gold prices are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. Finally, silver was able to outperform the gold prices after so many days. Silver went from 2262 to test 2322. It literally outperformed gold in every aspect. So let's have a look at resistance and support for silver today. 2295, that is the support in silver today. If silver break and sustain below the support, then expect 2270 and 2250. Resistance at $2350. If silver break and sustain above 2350, then expect 2380 and $24. Currently gold and silver, both precious metals are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. It also tested nearly $83 yesterday. It was more or less inventory which pushed crude oil prices. Inventory was heavily in favor of crude oil prices. So currently it is trading 82, 45, 46. Let's have a look at resistance and support in crude oil today. 81.20, that is the support today. If crude oil break and sustain below this support, then expect crude oil to test up to 80.20 and $79. Resistance at 83.50. If crude oil break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 85 and $86. Currently gold, silver and crude oil, all three major commodities are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Forex section now. Let's check euro first. This is euro. As we have already discussed, dollar index crashed after the data, and major beneficial of dollar index crash is euro. It fired and now currently trading 1444. So let's have a look at resistance and support in euro today. 1405, that is the support in euro today. If euro break and sustain below the support, then expect 1370 and 1330. Resistance at 1485. Above this resistance, expect euro to test up to 1520 and 1550. Currently euro is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. It also went in a major bullish zone after the data, currently trading 37.13. So let's have a look at resistance and support for British pound now. 3680, that is the support today. If pound break and sustain below this support, then expect 3650 and 3610. Resistance at 3755. Above this resistance, expect 3780 and 3820. Currently, Euro and British Pound both are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. And please make sure you keep an eye on the data. We have major data, wholesale inventories at 7 p.m. today. I will be live on that time on my streaming channel, so make sure you tune in for live streaming. We discuss usually data and levels. Streaming channel link in description. Now let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin. Yesterday I have given you those resistance in streaming. So these levels are still valid today. Nothing have to be changed. You can take a screenshot if you would like. Now let's move on to Ethereum. Then we will see Indian market levels. This is Ethereum. These are the levels I have given yesterday in streaming, live streaming. These need to be changed. So let's change the Ethereum levels. Support now stands at 3250. Resistance now stands at 3420. Currently, it is also trading in positive zone, just like Bitcoin, so trade accordingly. Now let's move on to Indian market levels. MCX Gold is trading 47,866 rupees. MCX Gold support stands at 47,700. Resistance stands at 47,990 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. You can also check crude oil, copper, zinc and natural gas levels in community post after the video by clicking the join button. Let's move on to silver. Silver is trading 61,970 rupees. Silver support stands at 61,200 rupees. Silver resistance stands at 62,920 rupees. Make sure you check 5 p.m. levels as INR will be closed that time and levels will be more accurate after the 5 p.m. Now I will see you in my live stream channel link in description. You can also WhatsApp me for paid signal service. WhatsApp number is also in description. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please click a like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.